Class 10, First Flight, English, Chapter number 6, The 100 Dresses, Part 2. In Part 1, we already discussed about the three characters, Wanda, Maggie and Paddy, and about the 100 dresses and its secret. Let's continue the summary for this chapter because this is a part of that previous chapter. Now the summary of the chapter is as follows. The lesson begins with all the students of room number 13 having a look at different drawings of Wanda Petronsky. Only then a note is received by Miss Mason from Wanda's father informing that none of his two children will attend the school as they are moving to a big city where no one would judge them by their names. Miss Mason was left shocked and conveyed her disappointment to the class. Maddie was affected by this letter of Wanda's father. She instantly developed an urge to apologize. Maddie felt so bad that she could not concentrate on her studies after knowing the facts. She wanted to meet Wanda in person to clarify her stand that she never meant to hurt her feelings. When the school was over, Maddie and Peggy both went to the residence of Wanda at Boggins Heights to meet her, but by the time they had already left, so their visit was fruitless. On the weekend, the Peggy and Maddie decided to write a letter to Wanda that was originally meant to be apologetic, but they ended up with a friendly note asking her about how did she like the new place and telling about the results of the drawing competition. But the weeks passed, there was no reply from Wanda until one day near the Christmas. Miss Mason announces that she heard from Wanda. In that letter, Wanda wrote she misses everyone and conveyed her intention of gifting one dress each to Maddie and Peggy because she has a whole new lots of 100 dresses lined up in her new house. Both of them were happy to receive it and later realized that it was their faces she had drawn along with the dresses. Thus, they both concluded that Wanda did like them. Dear, this was the complete summary of this chapter, this lesson. Let's discuss the conclusion. The conclusion of the 100 Dresses Part 2 is, this story is giving a message about the racial discrimination society. It is one of the ills of a society which has an adverse impact on the people. And thank you for watching and listening.